pretty much everyone's favorite topic, which is ad rank, or more specifically, search impression shares that are lost due to ad rank. Really, in order to quell the panic from that, you have to understand what ad rank is and why you're losing so much share of it, and really, if that's even a problem at all. Hey there, I'm Tim, client manager with Solutions 8. Just wanted to run you through pretty much everyone's favorite topic, which is ad rank, or more specifically, search impression shares that are lost due to ad rank. So this can be pretty terrifying. You come in here, you see this little column here shows search lost IS rank, and you think, oh wow, I've lost 75% of my search impression share due to poor ad rank. I mean, what's going on? I worked my buns off trying to get good ad copy, writing good ads, writing relevant ads, and here I am losing pretty much everything to other people. I mean, what's going on? So, really, in order to quell the panic from that, you have to understand what ad rank is and why you're losing so much share of it, and really, if that's even a problem at all. And while that last bit might sound a little controversial, just bear with me, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It basically starts with what ad rank is. And what ad rank is just a conglomerate of signals and attributes that Google uses to determine where and when your ad is going to show up for a particular search. So these values, they range from sort of the factors include bid amount, the quality of your ads and landing page, competitiveness of the auction, the context of people's search. So there's all kinds of different um, factors that go into where and when your ad's shown, obviously, and yeah, a big one is the user itself. I mean, if you've got a bid strategy that's set to say, maximize conversion value, that's that's telling Google to go after a very specific user. So even though the search might be relevant and your ad copy might be strong, landing page is strong, that might not play well with, that still might not show up just because the person who's searching isn't as likely to convert based on Google's um, profile of them. So that's an example where it's not always as cut and dry as, oh, we're not showing every time we could be. It's about when you should be showing, as well as all those other factors I mentioned, like budget and budget for the day, bidding budget. If you've got a max set on that, uh, and of course, many of those factors are out of your control. You don't know who's searching. Um, what you can control is telling Google to go after people that it thinks will convert for what you're offering. Um, but yeah, you can't control what device they're using. You can't control what the other bidders are doing. What you can control are your budget, your landing page experience, or your client can control that with hopefully some feedback from you, and you can control the actual quality of the ads themselves. And that's the biggest one that's immediate within your control, is making the ads relevant to what you're trying to sell, what's on the landing page, and just making sure all of that's cohesive and congruent within itself. So while we look at these metrics here, if we go to this whole account, um, this is set for a period of a month. While it may look like search impression share loss due to ad rank is at a staggering 78.5%, which is even up 2% from the previous period, you'll see that our cost per conversions have come down by almost 20%, and the conversion rate itself is up almost 50%. To pretty decent numbers here. This is a lead generating account. That's right where we'd expect it to be. This cost per conversion is under their goal, and as you can see, some of the things, as I mentioned, some of the things that are within our control are the ads themselves, like writing good ad copy, making sure it's relevant. So if we're looking at all 5 ad groups within this campaign, they all show to have excellent ad strength. Sorry. So the ad strength details shown here. Each one of the ads present in these campaigns are all shooting to excellent. So that just goes to show you that we're controlling with what we can control. our metrics are flying, they're improving, and yet our search impression share loss due to ad rank uh, seems to be terrifying at first glance and getting slightly worse from the previously compared period. But yeah, so just control what you can control. Make sure you're offering a good searcher and user experience by making sure that landing page is fast, relevant to the offering, full of information, having conversion rate optimization tactics in place, and making sure your ad copy also aligns with what's on the website and your offering, and take it from there. And you shouldn't have to be too worried about this pesky search lost IS rank anymore. Thanks very much.
Is a little bit more applicable to my agency peeps, but I do think that there's something here for everybody depending on the type of business you're in. So, bear with me. I want to talk to you about retention, and retention through the lens of managing expectations. I think as an agency, the thing you should be not just managing for